Hello there. It's been a long week, hasn't it? Well, it's Sunday and we're back in the kitchen. And you know, I actually did my groceries yesterday on Saturday, and I went to the gym quite early this morning, and so I'm excited to say that it's currently 10:30 a.m. and I have completed my meal prep for the week. So what have we got? Well, let me show you. This week for dinner, we'll be having some green beans along with some mushrooms, a hard-boiled egg, and some lightly fried tofu. Now for lunch, we decided to go with the arugula salad again. It was quite delicious last week, and so I did it again. However, I did it with a little bit of a kick. You might see that there are some chickpeas in there. To pair with our arugula salad, we've got some fresh fruits, some mangoes and some oranges, along with some red and yellow bell peppers, and of course we're pairing that with some naan and some roasted garlic hummus. And so that's what we'll be eating this week, and tune in again next Sunday to see what we've got.